Shisiki, Bumpo part, like, again I'm recording for everyone, those who could not participate or who are not able to participate today in the class. So here we'll be discussing about the Bumpo, Dokai, the grammar and reading part. The time duration was 50 minutes for the second part, question paper, second set in fact, and it's all about the grammar part. Example they have given here, Intermondai, Ichi, fill in the blanks ni nani o iremasu ka? Ichi ni san kara, ichi ni san yon kara ichiban ii mono o hitotsu erande kudasai. So that's what we have already known, like what we have to do in this. Example is kore, something. Fill in the blanks, impitsu, that's right. So we know, right, after this this kore and sore and are, this wa particle comes, isn't it? Right. So that's the reason we are discussing this. Kore, O, wa, ya. So out of 4 options, you have to select the best one. So wa suits the best. So we have marked the wa, kore wa impitsu. This is a pencil. So what everyone was discussing during the class today was first one is Nihon. Right now, I hope everyone can see this properly. Right? Now is this okay? I've just enlarged it. Okay, so it says Nihon, fill in the blanks, ramen wa oishi desu. Right? So we understand where you use ni particle, no particle, o particle, and a particle. Let me take you through. Ni is basically a position particle as of now. We will just see Nihon ni ramen wa oishi desu, or Nihon no ramen wa oishi desu. So no is nothing but of. So Japanese noodles is tasty or delicious, right? So that's the reason we have selected no particle. Everyone got it, right? So everyone's answer was Nippon. That's what I could hear from everyone, right? And any mismatch, Minasan?
No, Santosh. No it.
All right. No is the right answer. All right. Second में चलते हैं. Watashi ni wa kyodai ga futari imasu. Ototo. Fill in the blanks. Imoto desu. Right. So we understand. So here what we are discussing, watashi ni wa kyodai ga futari imasu, right? Now in what is kyodai?
Brothers and sisters.
Kyodai is
Yoshin
okay.
Parents, yeah.
Okay. So futari imasu. So we are two brothers. We are 2 brothers and sisters. So that means ototo. So basically watashi ni wa kyodai. So I have 2 brothers and sisters. That means now adding him it will be 3%, isn't it? So we can say watashi ni wa kyodai ga futari imasu. Alright, so there's a brother and sister, 1 brother, 1 sister. Ototo, what is ototo? Is younger brother. Fill in the blanks. Imoto. Imoto is younger sister. Des. Alright, so can we say, yeah, everyone's answer was, what was the answer?
3.
3. Alright. Okay. That's great, right? So answer is 3, right? To. What is to here? To is and, right? So great, right? So younger brother and younger sister is there. So to should be the right answer. Alright. Okay. Anything you want to know, please let me know, Minasan, we can discuss. I can tell you the explanation. Why, if you have marked some other answer, please you should ask me the reason. Third we go.
Sorry, here normally watashi no, we say watashi no, right? Watashi ni.
Ni is I have basically, I have. Watashi no is mine.
Okay.
That's a difference, I have. Okay. So we go to third. Third is Yamashita says to Tanaka. Okay, he says, Tanaka-san, fill in the blanks. Kino doko ka ni dekakemashita ka? Tanaka-san, did you go yesterday somewhere? Did you go out somewhere? Tanaka-san, ie ni imashita. I was there in the house itself, right? So options de, wa, o, ni is there, right? Answer as per the grammar, it should be, Minasan, what should be the answer?
Wow.
Right? Because the subject, right? Tanaka-san is a subject. So that's the reason it should be Tanaka-san wa kino doko ka ni ikimashita ka? Somewhere did he go yesterday? So wa is the right answer. Number 4, taxi day. Within the taxi they're talking, right? So A says Sugi no kado wo migi, fill in the blanks magate kudasai. From the next corner, please turn to the right hand side, right? Magarimasu is to turn, alright? and then B says, ah, wagarimashita. So we know when you're talking about the direction, so it should be migi. Which particle? Migi.
Knee.
Yeah, so it should be migi ni, right? So fourth one is the right answer. Migi ni magate kodasai, right? Migi ni. It's because of direction. So whenever you're talking right, left, upper, niche, some jahan bhi, so that time you will use ni particle. Okay, number 5, you go to Kino, watashi wa hitori, fill in the blanks, eiga o mi ni ikimashita. Yesterday, I went to watch movie alone, isn't it? So we understand now whenever hitori is there, we always use de. So it should be hitori de. Alright, so hitori de should be the right answer. The 5th is the third answer. So this is the third answer of this. Alright, this should be the right answer on this. Okay, this everyone's answer is third, right? Any confusion? Do you want to ask anything? No? Alright. Then we move to number 6. Number 6 is Yamashita says to Tanaka, Kyo party ga arimasu kara Tanaka-san fill in the blanks kite kudasai. Because today is party, please, Mr. Tanaka, something, please come. Tanaka-san, arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you so much. So yeah, as per everyone's answer, I could see because today's party, Mr. Tanaka, you also come, right? So also should be more particle, yeah? More suits the best. Yeah, कहीं किस कुछ confusion है सर पूछना चाहेंगे आप लोग?
संतोष सर नी क्यों नहीं हो सकता?
Tanaka-san ni kite kudasai, यहाँ पे ni 2 हो जाएगा ना? तो Tanaka-san, we cannot say please come to Tanaka-san. Yeah, so ni आपने क्यों क्या सोच के लगाया था?
मैंने ये सोच के लगाया कि जैसे हम लोग इकीमास या कीमास के साथ नी यूज करते हैं, राइट?
ओके, जी जी जी, ठीक है। तो वो डेस्टिनेशन पार्टिकल होता है ना, कहीं हम जाते हैं, एग्जांपल मैं टोक्यो जा रहा हूँ या फिर शिंजुकू जा रहा हूँ, तो वहां पे उसके बाद नी कीमस आएगा। बट यहाँ तानाका-सान है ना, तानाका-सान आप भी आइए, आज मेरे यहाँ पार्टी है, इसलिए दस कारा है ना, इसलिए दस रीजन यू आल्सो कम, आप भी आइए।
हाँ संतोष सर, दोबारा पढ़ने में मैं समझ गया था, मैं बस टॉकिंग
हाँ तो हाँ, नहीं आप कहीं जा रहे हैं, डेस्टिनेशन कहीं कोई डेस्टिनेशन पार्टिकल है, कोई जगह है, वहां आप जा रहे हैं, तो वहां पे नी उस जगह के बाद यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे तानाका-सान है, ये सब्जेक्ट है ना, तो सब्जेक्ट के बाद नी नहीं आएगा ना, वहां पे अगर कोई सब्जेक्ट है तो वहां पे हम लोग मो इस्तेमाल करेंगे। अगर मान लीजिए संजुको होता या साइतामा होता या फिर कोई योकोहामा होता, तो वहां पे हम लोग नी पार्टिकल लेते हैं उसको। Yeah, all right. Number 7 पे चलते हैं। Number 7, Tanaka says to Yamada, Kono Boshiwa, Yamada-san, fill in the blanks. Desu ka? Is this hat belongs to Yamada-san? Yamada-san says hi, right? So he should be no. Yeah, Kono Boshiwa, Tanaka-san no desu ka? Is this hat belongs or is this of Tanaka-san? Is this of your Yamada? And then Yamada-san, yes. So answer should be no. Number 8, Ekimade taxi de Sengen, fill in the blanks, des. Right, so here we will be using Gurai. Gurai is approximately, right? So till station by taxi, approximately it is 1,000 yen, right? So why not Nado, why not Goro? Goro is exactly, Gurai is approximately, so that's the difference. Got it, Miyasan? Everyone's answer is Gurai, right?
Yes, but Goro will use only with time, right? Or maybe we can use.
नहीं आप गोरो और टाइम के साथ ही इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। गोरो जनरली आई हैव नॉट मनी के साथ कभी सुना नहीं है मैंने। गोरो इज गुराई ही रहता है अप्रोक्सीमेटली, so I have not so Goro exactly 5 o'clock the class starts, something like that, so that time we can use Goro. Gurai also we can approximately at 5 o'clock class starts, so Gurai that time also time and money you can use that. But the only difference is Goro when you're sure, like no, something is happening exactly that particular thing, right? एक पैसा ऊपर नीचे नहीं हुआ तो वहाँ पे आप use कर सकते हैं। Okay, so Gurai was the right answer. Number 9 is Sayonara, and says Sayonara Mata, fill in the blanks. Yes, I could hear lots of discussion going on this. कोई 10 दिनों बाद बोल रहे हैं, कोई 1 महीने बाद में किसी में confusion है। Alright, no problem. तो again, like no, इसका जो आंसर है वो आपका राइचू रहेगा, right? Sayonara Mata, राइचू ना? Okay, see you. Then let's meet next week again. Alright, third should be the right answer. Why not kongetsu? Kongetsu नहीं बोलेंगे, फिर से इस महीने मिलते हैं. But generally don't use this word, you know. माता राइशु माइमाशो और मास्ता आस्ता इमाशो ऐसा बोलना, क्योंकि अभी आप डिपार्ट हो रहे हो एक दूसरे से बिछड़ रहे हैं, तो में भी हो सकता है कि कल मिलते हैं या फिर एक सप्ताह बाद. जैसा कि आई थिंक विक्रांत सर या रचित सर बात कर रहे थे, कोई थोड़ा सा गैप रहता है तो हम लोग यूज करते हैं सायनारा, है ना. Alright, तो राइशु इज द राइट आंसर हियर. सो हम लोग 9th का हम लोग लेके चलते हैं. थर्ड 10th में चलते हैं. वाताशी नो हाहा वा जू वा गोजू साई देस चिची वा गोजू गो साई देस हाहा वा चिची फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स गो साई वा काई देस. मैंने सुना सभी का आंसर योरी था. कंपेयर कर रहे हैं आप चैप्टर 17 18 में जो हमने पढ़ा है. Yori is in comparison with, right? So watashi no haha wa 50 years there. Like no, my mother, she is 50 years. Papa is 55 years. So in that case, my mother is younger, 5 years younger than my father, right? So it should be Yori. Yori should be the right answer. 10th is the third one is the right answer. 11th, we go to 11th, and 11th is Kodomo. The kid says to Mama, itadakimasu. Itadakimasu is whenever you eat something, before that you always pray to God. Thank you God for giving me or providing me this delicious food. Then Mama says, taberu something. I could see from this question was from Amrita san, right? Taberu fill in the blanks. Teo araimasho. Let's wash our hand before we eat, right? So जो Amrita san ने कहा कि taberu my ni, alright, so taberu my ni teo araimasho, right? So यहाँ पे रचित सर ने उनको काउंटर किया था शायद कि नो माय ni क्यों नहीं आया, तो आपने रीजन भी दिया था कि नो ऑलवेज कम्स विद द नाउन और ना एडजेक्टिव, है ना. इसलिए अगर थाबेरू है तो रूट फॉर्म के साथ हमेशा माय नहीं आएगा, नो माय नहीं आएगा. ऑलराइट, क्लियर है ना मेरा सर. ये पार्टिकुलर हम लोगों ने जो चैप्टर में 18 में पढ़ा था, है ना.
What is the answer, Santosh sir?
Oh, okay.
One.
Good morning. Good morning, Sudhima. One is the right answer. All right. Yeah.
Okay, mark 2 actually. So I'm just checking it. So meantime, so
No problem. No, yeah. So no mine is basically when some noun is there. No. Example. Here is the root form, right? So we use no mine like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. 12th we go to 12th, and then A says. Tokyo demo yuki ga furimasu ka? In Tokyo also is there a snow? B says, furimasu yo. Yes, of course it falls. Snow falls over there as well. Demo kyonen wa amari fill in the blanks, because amari is there. It should always end with negative sentence, right? But last year it did not fall that much, right? So answer should be Furimasen Deshita, because Deshita is the last year, right? Kyonen is last year. So it should be Furimasen negative and pass. Kyonen Amari Furimasen Desta. First is the right answer for everyone. Okay, any confusion, Minasan? Please raise your voice. Please let me know if there's confusion. We can discuss that. Alright, it should not be a one-way communication. Yeah. So 13, we go to at the river at Kawade. It says, Mite kudasai, sakana, chisana, sakana ga taksan, fill in the blanks yo. Hey, look. There is lots of fish, fill in the blanks, right? B says, honto desu ne, sanju pikki gurai imasu ne. There are almost 30 fishes. So oyogimasu. Oyogimasen, oyogimasta, oyoideimasu, right? So we understand because I think Rachi-san said, right? So Rachi-san said तो उन्होंने कहा है तो सही ही होगा, right? So oyoideimasu उन्होंने कहा, right? So oyoideimasu is तैर रही है, is swimming, right? So look over there, right? There are lots of fish. I'm not sure. Fish भी swim करती है या क्या कहते हैं उसको हम लोग? What do we say when? Yeah, swimming, right? No. What do you say, Minasan? Oyogimasu is basically swim, right? But in English, what it would be? Swimming is sir?
स्विमिंग ही होता है संतोष खान और
पता नहीं. हाँ, नहीं, हमको लगता है कि हम लोग जैसे चलते हैं तो शायद वो उनके लिए भी पानी में चलना ही होता होगा शायद. All right, jokes apart. So the answer is oyoideimasu, right? 13 is fourth is the right answer. Okay, number 14 we go to Nakagawa. Says to Yamada. Yamada-san no そのカメラはいいですね. Loko dekai ka. So yeah, Mr. Yamada, your camera is very good. Where did you buy this? Yamada says, yeah, これは兄にऔर एक जो चंदन सान से बात हुई थी इस सिलसिले में उन्होंने कहा था कि ये कैमरा याना सर का जो कैमरा है बहुत ही अच्छा है, कहाँ से खरीदा आपने? देन यामादा सेज नहीं नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, हमने कुछ खरीदा नहीं है. कोरेवा आनी नी, आनी इज बिग ब्रदर, एल्डर ब्रदर है ना. कोरेवा आनी नी, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? आगे मास्ता इज व्हाट? क्या होता है? व्हाट इज आगे मास्ता मीना सन?
दिया,
To
गिव।
give.
ठीक है, आप जब किसी को कुछ देते हैं, when you give something, you give something to someone, that time it will be agemas. Moraimas is what?
रिसीव।
Receive, right? So got it, right? So yeah, आपने receive किया, तो आनी नी moraimas था, I received it from my elder brother. The second should be the right answer. Yeah?
संतोष खान, इसमें अगर
जी.
मुझे बोलना होता कि बड़े भाई ने खरीदा है, तो मैं कैसे बोलता? आनी
हाँ,
मास्ता नहीं
आनी
बोलता।
आनी वा, ये नहीं, यहाँ पे होगा आनी वा खाई मास्ता.
आनी बा काई मास्ता ना, ठीक है।
बिल्कुल, यहाँ नी है तो आप या तो लिए हैं या दिए हैं, तो इसलिए ना रिसीवर वा गिवर नी, वो हमने पढ़ा था ना चैप्टर 6 या 7 में.
नहीं, मैंने ऑप्शन तो 2 ही मारा, राइट? मुझे
जी.
ये जल्दी हो गया, मोराई मास्ता, आई गॉट इनटू कंफ्यूजन, बट मैं ये सोच रहा था कि अगर ये बोलना होता कि कोरेवा आनी ने खरीदा, राइट? तो अगर वा पार्टिकल होता तो मुझे काई मास्ता करना पड़ता।
जी 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 जी, करेक्ट करेक्ट. ऑलराइट, नंबर 15 पे चलते हैं हम लोग. नंबर 15 वी कैन सी हियर it says tamago reuri no jioju na sukurikata o something yomimashita. So I learned how to cook very good egg curry or egg cuisine, something like that. So tamago reuri no jioju na sukurikata or yomimashita. I read how to prepare good egg curry inside, or egg anything related with the eggs, vegetables, or not vegetable, egg curry or egg bhuji, anything. So answer here, it can be nani ni, nani no, nanikae or nanikade. So nanikade usually somewhere. Sukurikata o nanikade, right? Nanikade yomimashita, right? Any confusion, minasan? Why nanika is nanikade? This through somewhere I read nanika de yomimashita. 4 should be the right answer on this. Number 16, then while they on phone, they're talking. Yamada-san is talking to Kitayama-san. Honda-san is talking to Kitayama-san. Honda says, hi Yamada, yes, this is Honda, this is, sorry, I don't know, अभी Yamada ऊपर से चलता रहा तो Yamada ही कहानी समझ में आ रही है. Okay, hi Honda, yes, this is Honda. And then Kitayama-san says, Kitayama Hanako, that's my name. I'm this side, Kitayama Hanako. Sumimasen, fill in the blanks. Honda says, hi, Chotomatego-san, please wait a bit. That means, please, I'm requesting for someone, first. Says Hiroko-san o onegaishimasu, and 16 is the right. First one answer the right answer. Hiroko-san o onegaishimasu. I request you to call Mr. Hiroko or Miss Hiroko-san, like that, right? Correct, minasan? Clear?
संतोष सान, हिरोको सान तो हानाशिमासेन का ये फोर्थ ऑप्शन नहीं हो सकता?
हाँ, यहाँ पे अभी क्या हुआ है, मैंने आपको फोन किया, ठीक है, और मान लीजिए आपने फोन रिसीव किया और मुझे मैम से बात करनी है घर में, ठीक है. मैंने कहा कि हाय मसमोस वाताशी वा संतोष देस. आपने कहा हाय वाताशी वा रचित देस. एंड देन व्हाट आई विल बी सेइंग, लाइक सुमियासेन. अगर मान लीजिए मैम ने फोन उठाया तो मैं बोलूंगा ना कि रचित सान से मुझे बात करनी है, तो मैं बोलूंगा सुमियासेन रचित सान हो ओनेगाइशिमास. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप रचित सान से को बुला दें, है ना. ओनेगाइशिमास, मैं रिक्वेस्ट यू. अगर आप, मैं कहता हूँ रचित सान तो हानाशिमासेन का मतलब मैं उनको ही, आपकी वाइफ को बोल रहा हूँ कि आप प्लीज, झगड़ा हो गया है आपके हस्बैंड से, प्लीज उनसे बात नहीं करेंगे क्या? ऐसा होगा क्या? तो हानाशिमासेन का मतलब कि नहीं बात करेंगी क्या आप, रचित सान के साथ बात नहीं करेंगी क्या? क्योंकि मुझे बात करनी है ना रचित सान के साथ, है ना. तो मैं बोलूंगा ओनेगाइशिमास, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू फॉर रचित सान, इट्स लाइक दैट.
तो अच्छा, तो संतोष सान, लाइक विक्रांत सान बोल रहे थे कि जैसे ये मासेन का फॉर्म 1-on-1 होना है, दैट इज नॉट कंपलसरी, राइट? जैसे आपने एग्जांपल दिया कि
जी.
आप उनसे बात नहीं करेंगे क्या, तो मैं किसी और से भी के रेफरेंस में भी बात कर सकता हूँ, राइट?
जी
जी, ओके, ठीक है. Thank you, Santosh-san.
My pleasure, sir. All right. Okay, so here we stop. All right. तो यहाँ पे all right. So let's start. Here, this is Mondai 2. We have to see which particular word will come on the star marks for here. So example, like पूरा sentence यहाँ पे example में देख लेते हैं. करना क्या है इसके अंदर? Example sentence is given over here. A says fill in the blanks, dash, and at the end something is ka. And then it says Yamada-san this. That means he's Mr. Yamada something like that. So what will the question? Who is that person? Right? So who is that person will be what? Like, we have learned in chapter number 2 that if you want to ask who's that person, so we'll say ano hito, then wa dare des ka. So ka always comes between des or mas etc. Right? So एक चीज confirm है कि des के बाद ही का आएगा, तो des आपका है, des will come at the end. And yes, Anohito wa Dare desu. So Anohito will come here, then wa will come here, and Dare will come here. So the right answer will be third, right? So this is fourth is the right answer right here. स्टार्ट पे दारे आ जाएगा है ना, तो यहाँ इस तरीके से हम लोगों ने फोर्थ को करेक्ट किया है. गॉट इट. जो कंफ्यूजन था कि कैसे करना है, नाउ आई थिंक द कांसेप्ट इज क्लियर. स्टार मार्क्स, हाउ टू डू इट, दिस स्टार मार्क क्वेश्चंस. Alright, discuss here on chapter on the question number 17. It says at the shop, Tanaka-san says to shopkeeper, Sumiya-san, fill in the blanks, and then ka, right? So, yep. So it says, excuse me, the fruits, and then ka. And then answer is, the shopkeeper says, Mr. Nohito says, Kochigadas, is it this way, right? So question would be something like the question might be, so where is the fruits section? Or where is the fruits, etc. Anything question. Right? So we know options are doko, arimas, wa, ni. So we understand like before ka we always have des, mas, arimas, etc. Right? So we at the end this is arimas. Now number 2 will come at arimas. And we can say kudamono wa doko ni arimasu, right? So what we have learned in the pattern, right? Kudamono wa doko ni arimasu, right? So can we say fourth is a right answer for this? Here, kudamono wa then doko then ni arimasu. Arimasu यहाँ पे आएगा, ni यहाँ आएगा. All this things. Clear, right? Everyone, minasan? The right answer should be fourth. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, great. We go to 18th. 18th, A says to B is Yamashita-san wa? Where is Yamashita-san or something like that question can be. And B says Tonari no heyade, fill in the blanks, siteimasu. At the adjacent room he is doing something, right? Or his options are renshu. That means renshu is practice, gita is guitar, and then of course now we understood. Okay, next room he is practicing guitar. Okay, so we understood here Tonari no heyade. Can we say like gita no renshu o shiteimasu, because object is there, right? After object o particular will come and then verb will come. So shimasu or shiteimasu is your verb. Before this o particular will come, that here this particular thing will come here, o shiteimasu, right? And tonari no heyade in the next room, gita no, so guitar practice of guitar, guitar practice is doing. So can we say tonari no heyade gita no renshu, right? So gita no renshu, here you can say renshu comes at 1. So renshu should be the, आप लोग आंसर में सुना, yeah, renshu आप लोग ने सभी ने सही कहा, right? So 1 should be the right answer for this. Clear? Any confusion on this? No? Okay, number 19th, we move to number 19 and we say kaisha. Fill in the blanks, something, iteimasu. Right, so I'll just, okay. How, it says, watashi wa aruite iteimasu. No, I'm walking and going, right? Something like that, right? So I walk and go. Alright, so kaisha how do you go to company, right? So answer here we can say options are they, wa, a and ni. Kaisha is a destination, and then after this a particle will come. Kaisha a, and then a Kaisha a nani de. All right, so Kaisha, it should be Kaisha a, and then Kaisha a wa nani de itemasu ka. Watashi wa aruite itemasu. I walk and go. So Kaisha is a destination. Kaisha a is confusion, minasan. Understood. Kaisha a wa nani de itemasu ka. Okay. So we can say, how do you go to company? So as per my knowledge, 19th, the answer should be 4th, right? So here, Kaisha e wa nani de itemasu ka. The fourth should be her. So what was your answer, minasan? What you had discussed?
तो नानी किया है वही आपने जो बोला काइशा ए वा नानी दे ते इमास का, राइट? तो काइशा ए डेस्टिनेशन पार्टिकल वहां लगा के और नानी दे ते इमास का ही होता, बट मेरे को वो ये एवा वाला पैटर्न
हाँ, जो हम लोग ने आई थिंक चैप्टर नंबर 16 17 में पढ़ा है वो एवा नीवा, सो इट्स सेम थिंग, नो, दे गिव द सेम मीनिंग एवा नीवा, राइट? सो कहीं भी आए ये सब पार्टिकल्स एवा नीवा एक्सेट्रा, तो वी हैव द सेम मीनिंग व्हाट वी लर्न ए नी मो एक्सेट्रा. So eva should be all coming all together, two particles together. So kaisha ewa nani de itemasu ka. How do you go to the company?
ठीक संतोष सन.
Okay, this and number 20. Number 20. Yamada-san says to Johnson, Johnson, shukudai wa zenbu warimasu ka? No, all the homework have you already completed? Have you completed? Yeah, Mara this. No, not yet. Coco. Okay, Coco is still here. Coco, something, right? Saigo na mondai ga mujo kasi desu. No, the last sections questions are very difficult. So we can see here wa kantan deshita ga made. Okay. So no, I have not completed yet. Still I am doing that. So Coco made. Okay. Coco made wa kantan deshita ga saigo no mondai ga難しいです. Okay, so here we using Coco made wa kantan deshita. So second should be the right answer for this. Alright, kantan is here. Okay. Everyone getting it right? Minasan? Okay. Hi. Alright, 21st we go to Honyade at the bookshop. Yan-san says to Anna-san, watashi wa kono hon o kaimasu. An-san wa donna hon ga ii desu ka? I will buy this book. Anna-san, for you, which book would be good? Which book you want to buy? Anna says, watashi wa mou sukoshi something ga ii desu ne. Options are hon, kantan na, ga, nihongo, right? So he says, so watashi wa mou sukoshi answer would be watashi wa mou sukoshi mo. Okay, hon will come at the end, and then kantan na hon it will be there. Then here it will be kantan na.
Sukoshi ga nihongo.
Mo sukoshi. Nihongo ga kantan na hon ga ii desu ne. Alright. So watashi wa mou sukoshi Nihongo ga kantan na hon. So ये ऑप्शन ये ऐसा रहेगा. वताशी wa mo sukoshi nihongo ga kantan. Nihongo ga kantan na hon ga ii desu. So a little bit more easy Japanese book. For me it will be good. All right. So here second should be answer, minasan here. Yeah. आप लोगों के answers थे. What was your answer?
संतोष मेरा आंसर तो 3 था.
गा.
गा.
ओके. यहाँ पे नहीं आए, फिट नहीं बैठता है स्टार में. अगर आप ऐसे देखें तो यहाँ पे मो सुकोशी निहोंगो गा, यहाँ पे आएगा गा. और थोड़ा जापानी भाषा इजी वाली किताब चाहिए मुझे ऐसा. हाँ, तो निहोंगो गा खानतान ना होन गा होशी ऐसा.
निहोंगो. ओके, सो आप बोल रहे हैं मो सुकोशी निहोंगो गा कांता ना होन गा इदेस.
हाँ, सो दिस ने हाय. हाँ, बिकॉज खानतान ना है ना, ना के बाद नाउन आएगा, तो नाउन आपके पास यही है. खानतान ना होन, तो ये आपका ये आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. एंड ये ऑप्शंस ये है हॉन और निहोंगो, तो आपको इसको सफल करना पड़ेगा. निहोंगो पहले लाइए, हॉन पहले लाइए, तो मो सुकोशी निहोंगो गा हॉन आ जाएगा इस जगह पे ऐसा.
तो अगर संतोष सन ऐसे बोले वाताशी वा मो सुकोशी कांता ना होन गा निहोंगो गा इदेस, मतलब मेरे ये
हाँ.
थोड़ी इजी हो रही है, इससे निहोंगो वाली ठीक रहेगी.
ये सेंटेंस का मतलब नहीं समझ में आ रहा रचिसान, अगर आप बात करें. देखिए फिर से बोलिए सेंटेंस को.
वाताशी वा मो सुकोशी कांता ना होन गा निहोंगो गा इदेस, मतलब मेरे लिए ये थोड़ी इजी किताब है इसलिए, बट और गा पार्टिकल यूज करके मैं वो कर रहा हूँ, इसलिए मैं निहोंगो गा इदेस.
हाँ, तो बस आप कह रहे हैं आपके लिए ये किताब जो है इजी है और थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट किताब चाहिए ऐसा.
हाँ, करेक्ट.
बट यहाँ पे डिफिकल्ट का कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं दे रहा है ना, तो इसलिए मुझे और थोड़ी इजी जापानीज लैंग्वेज जो है ना वो मुझे चाहिए, ऐसा उसका आंसर होना चाहिए.
ओके, तो मो सुकोशी निहोंगो गा कांता ना होन गा इदेस.
सो हाय.